I'm pleased to introduce you to the BarMap system, and I'm excited to show you what it looks like. What I've done is to put up an example from multi-state torts to show you just how this BarMap works. Once you order your BarMap program, you'll be directed into a secure web page for each subject. This is the torts page. You'll see that we've got 2 lectures, and I'll look at those in just a moment. And then we've also got a mind map for the subject of torts. Now, the way that the lectures work is the key to this system. Once you start the lecture, and there's a brief title page here, you will then be directed into the bar map. And in this bar map, you'll see that there are 6 different sections. And each one has not only the identification of that topic that's going to be discussed, but it has the time frame. So if you're interested in doing a deeper dive, or you want to look at just one part of a topic, it's easy to do that. If I'd like to look at negligence in torts, all I do is click on the negligence section here, and it actually begins that part of the lecture. Now, the way that the lectures are done is unique as well. We've put together our text as well as the audio, so you'll be able to read the text as you are listening to the discussion. And this is a terrific way to be able to experience the full lecture. Now, at the end of that section of the lecture, when it's all done, you will have the opportunity to make some other choices. And what happens is I can go to the next module, or I can return to start. And so if I return to start, I'm back here, and I can then just pick the particular subject that I want to be looking at and go right there. So if I want to look at liability, I jump in right there. So that's the process. Now, we've done that for 2 different lectures. So again, you've got lecture 1 in torts and lecture 2. Each of these lectures normally is about 3 hours in length. So it's a great way to dive in and go deeper. Now, the BarMap system goes a bit further than that by adding a proprietary mind map for each one of these subjects. This is our mind map for torts. And as you see, it's got, again, a series of sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each of these items are drawn from our Celebration Bar Review materials. But the amazing part of this system is that what we've done is to take that topic and then create a sub-mind map for each topic. So as you go into each of those mind maps and you open them up, you will then see the subtopic here. And if you have an account with MindMeister, you'll be able to edit that on your own. If you don't have an account, very simply, you'll just go back and create your own mind maps using what we've given you. All you have to do if you want to copy it is just click on that button and you can copy the mind maps. So this gives you the overall view of the subject and then goes into greater detail, and it's linked to our mind mapping. So as we create additional enhancements for each of these mind maps, they'll automatically be available to you right from this page. It's a great way to put your studies together and to dig in deeper where you want to go and add to the mind maps, which are the best way to study and learn the material.